It's Miss Hammis. Today we are going to learn 3 options for submitting assignments into Google Classroom. The first option we'll look at is using the drawing tool. The second option is editing the document directly. And the third is to upload a picture of your written work. Option 1, how to use the drawing tool. First, you will go into your classroom. So this classroom is called Hammis Math. And then you will find your assignment and click on it. Next, swipe up. And this will bring you to a screen where you can click on the assignment. Next, click on the pencil symbol in the upper right-hand corner to be able to write on and edit this page. When you're done editing the page and writing on it, click Save in the upper right-hand corner. After you have clicked Save, find the X in the upper left-hand corner to exit this page. Now, under your work, you will see the edited document that you just worked on. Finally, you are ready to click Turn In. So let's look at another option for turning in a Google Classroom assignment. This option is editing the document itself. First, we swipe up once we have found our assignment. Then we see under the title Your Work, a copy just for you. So click on that assignment. Then step 3, we click on this box in the upper right-hand corner to open up the document in an editable form. Now we can move shapes, insert text boxes. Number 5, click on the X. Now that we have finished editing, we are ready to leave this page and our work will be saved automatically. And next, we are ready to turn in. If you do want to double check that your work has been saved, you can click on your copy once again and take a look to double check that your work has indeed been saved. Alrighty. So we learned how to use the drawing tool, how to edit the document directly. Option 3 is simply taking a picture of your work on a piece of paper. So let's see how we can upload a photo of our work on a piece of paper. So we'll go to our assignment, swipe up, and at the bottom we will see a menu. We're going to select Use Camera to take a picture of our work, and then click on the Turn In button at the top. So that sums up how to upload a picture of our paper work and 3 options for how to submit assignments into Google Classroom.